My fellow South Africans, let me put this nicely. My fellow South Africans, I am here to humbly want to make sure ukuthi I never be on the wrong side of you all, because what you guys did to Umnyumtwana is evident that South African fans will show you who they are. I remember one day I did a video, not long time ago, after the Sweet Guluva thing, and I said, with or without you, I will make it. I will sell. Sompire will sell. My concert will be full. I still meant it because I was talking to haters. But to my fans, let me tell you, anything you want. When I see you in the street, you ask for a picture. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me. Tell me what you want me to do. I will worship the ground that you walk on. Tell me what you want me to do. If you want a picture, and then after a picture, you want to give me your bills, the bond, the rent, the car installment. Nkona, my fans, naka makhadi ami, nayine mali oyifunayo oyithola, naka makhadi ami, ngizoswiper for as long as I'm on the right side of you guys. Ngizoswiper. If ufuna ngichoreographe umshado wakini, choreographer anything you want as long as I'm on the right side. Noma ngithi ngiyadla usithombe ngithi anything for you. Unga-offenda yonke into or wonke umuntu, unga-offende ama-fans akho. They are called fans for a reason. Abantu okumele ungabe nesikhathi sabo ama-haters or ama-bullies. Ama-fans. So deal whatever you want, I'll give to you. Picture plus paying your school fees, picture plus buying you a car. Because kahle if unale pizza le makathi ngiyayiluma uyithathe or uthi wo singidle kuqala. Do you know what everything like yenu everything from head to toe, mina ama-fans ami. If ngisemarobotini ngihamba ngemoto yami, ukokote ewindweni uthi hlala ngale yimi fan yakho. Hayi woza. Kanjani? Danko.